What's up, everybody? How you doing today? Today we're going to be talking about how to approach haters. On our road to success, we always going to have those people who going to be hating on what you do. Simple as that. But how do you deal with that? I'd say simply tell them thank you. The reason I say tell them thank you because one, they're acknowledging that you're doing something good. They're acknowledging that you are great. And that's a good feeling to have. Especially when you set a goal for yourself. And it always helps if you're passionate about it, of course. But I definitely always say that the closer you get to success, the more people that's going to be jealous of what you're doing. Because one, you decided for yourself that you're not going to be just normal. You're going to be exceptional and phenomenal. And that is just unique in today's society. Not too many people are willing to step outside the box to be themselves and be passionate about what they do. So that's what I want to leave you all with today. I want to let you all know that you are great. And let the haters hate. Because as you get closer to your goal, there's going to be more haters. And the closer they come, the more we're going to tell them thank you. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel, rate, and comment. I thank you all for watching this. And I'll see you next week. Passion is love, and love is passion.